Kennedy here again from Ken the Wiz, and today I'll be taking you through yet another application from Windows 10 known as the video editor. This is one of the applications that you can use to create and edit your videos to make them look classy and professional. So stay tuned. If this is your first time being in my channel, please subscribe, and for those who are coming back, thank you very much. So guys, quickly let me take you through the dashboard for video editor. It has only 3 points of interaction. The library used for storing or temporarily storing your video files or your video images you're working on. Then we have the storyboard, which actually gives you the platform for arranging and rearranging the files you're working on. And then we have the video preview window, which gives you the preview of all the videos you shall have merged or all the videos you shall have combined to give you the final output. So guys, this is the window for video editor, and once you load it, just come to new video project, which will be prompted to give it a name. So you'll just name it new video. So from here we have the project library, the storyboard, and the preview. So if you want to work on a project, just come to add, choose the directory. Then for example, let me just pick some 2 files here. Once you have chosen your files, just click on to place in the storyboard. So by default, these 2 files are merged. If you play from here, it will play all the 2 files already merged into one single video file. If for instance you want to edit the first file, maybe you want to trim or you want to add an effect, just click onto the right square at the corner, then select trim or split or text or any effect you want to add onto it, or if be it a background music or any other custom audio that you have from your PC. So if you want to add that, maybe trim, just select the file you want to trim, come to trim. A trim window will open, and the trim window has the timer down here. This one will enable you to, this one moves for you to select at which point you want to trim your video. So you can just move using the slider here and select. Once you have noted the point you want to stream it at, you just come to done and your video shall be trimmed. The same applies to split. You just come to split and a split window will open, and we have the slider here for you to select at what point do you want to split your video. Then you just click on to done to have it splitted. These are the effects applies. Once you just have to select the file you want to add an effect to. If it is this one, just come to text, then a text pane will open, and it has also the layout where you can choose from to give your video file an effect. So guys, once you've done all the editing and you've previewed your document or you previewed your video from here, you just come to finish from here. Once you click on to finish, your video will be exported. it will export to your video files and immediately it will play so that you can see the final output. So guys, that is exactly how to use your video editor to maneuver around your video files. And again, if it is your first time being in my channel, click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell, and like and comment below.